The Caudabe Sheath case is a compelling option for the Galaxy S25 Ultra that strikes an impressive balance between protection and sleekness. What immediately stands out is how the case manages to maintain an ultra-slim profile while still offering serious drop protection up to 2 meters. The secret lies in their proprietary Shocklight polymer, which feels almost gel-like to the touch but provides excellent shock absorption. The case's micro-etched matte texture deserves special mention. It adds just the right amount of grip without being overly aggressive like some competitors. I particularly appreciate the attention to detail in the precision-machined aluminum buttons, which are color-matched to the case and provide satisfying tactile feedback. It's a small touch that makes a big difference in daily use. One of this year's major upgrades is the integration of MagSafe compatibility. Caudabe has cleverly engineered their magnet array using high-grade neodymium magnets in a way that doesn't compromise the case's slim profile. The magnetic connection is strong and reliable, working seamlessly with all MagSafe accessories. The interior of the case features a premium microfiber lining that cradles your S25 Ultra, while the camera cutouts are precisely engineered to protect the substantial camera bump without adding unnecessary bulk. The overall fit and finish are exceptional, showing Caudabe's commitment to thoughtful design. While the case isn't the cheapest option available, the combination of premium materials, sophisticated design, and practical protection makes it a worthwhile investment for your flagship phone. If you're looking for a case that doesn't compromise on style or protection, the Caudabe Sheath makes a compelling argument for your S25 Ultra.